are you all? I hope my all the little Vashishthians of first standard are very much fine. Okay, so again I am here. My name is Harpreet Neela. I am the class teacher of first grade teaching in Shri Vashisht Vidyalay. So children, as you can see on your screen, today I have come with subject EVS. Okay, and in EVS today's topic is my body. Wow, what a topic. We all know about body because we do have body, right now? And you all know that body is a beautiful machine that can do many things. Now, when I'm saying it is a machine, it doesn't mean that it works on batteries or electricity, right? It is a machine that is created by God. Now, children, this is only the first part of my body because there are so many body parts and its different names and its different functions. It is a very long topic, but today I am just going to take few topics, and that also of external body parts. Now you must think, ma'am, what is the meaning of external body part? So my dear students, external body parts means the parts which are outside our body, the parts which we can see. Okay, so let's move on. Wow, now can you see two charts are given over here? Okay, so see that orange one chart, can you see it properly? Okay, so now here it is one activity for you. What do you have to do? When I am going to speak out the body parts given in the chart, you have to touch the same body part in your body, okay, of your body, and your parents will monitor whether you are touching it correctly or not. So are you all ready? Parents, are you all ready? Okay, so let's see. Touch your hair. What we do with hair? Hair makes us look good, right? It protects our head also. Next one is ears. Come on, touch your ears. Ears help us to hear. Okay, next one is neck. Come on, touch your neck. Parents, see properly. Okay, what we can do with the neck? Neck help us to move our face, head, left and right, right? Next one, shoulder. Shoulder helps our arm to move. Next is arm. Touch your arm. Okay, next one is hands. Very good. Show your hands. What we can do? We can hold, right, with hands. Next is knee. Come on, bend little bit and touch your knees. Knees balance it is a balance between our foot and upper part of our leg, right? Next one is foot. So bend a little more. थोड़ा सा और झुक जाओ and touch your foot. Okay, foot also help us to balance our body. Next one is leg. Touch your leg. It help us to run, jump, right? Next one is wrist. What do we do? We wear watch on our wrist. It looks good. Next is stomach. Wow, when we feel hungry, we eat food. Okay, that food goes into your stomach, and stomach helps us to digest our food. And next one is chest. When you put your hand on chest, you can hear the heartbeats, right? Chest protects our heart, right? Next one, mouth. Show your mouth. What we can do? We can laugh, shout, right, with using our mouth. Next is nose. Touch your nose. We can smell good or bad things with the help of our nose. And last is eyes. What we can do with our eyes? We can see beautiful things, okay, around us, and even with our eyes. Now one activity is there. Here, as you can see, two charts are given. First is orange, that we have done, and next one is that girl in yellow frock. What you have to do, just you have to pause this video, okay, and see both the charts properly. And in this girl chart, few body parts are more given than the orange one, and you have to compare and find it and tell it to your parents. Okay, so let's see, you can do the comparison and find the missing ones. Okay, so now let's move. Next one. Okay, again we are having one activity. Okay, this activity is also very easy. Again, pause the video. Okay, see the arrows properly, and just speak out the name of the body parts which are pointed over here. Okay, tell it to your parents. Even also you can write the spellings in your rough notebook and then see whether it is correct or not. Now let's move. Now I'm taking the external body part, important external body part, that is our leg. As you can see, our leg is also divided into different parts: thigh, heel, knee and toe. Okay, now how legs help us in our daily life? Are we using our legs? Exactly, yes. First of all, you can see the girl is walking. Okay, so when we walk, we take use of our legs. Second picture, you can see the boy is running. Again, when we are running, we are using our legs. Okay, next one. Boy is kicking the ball. How he is kicking? Using his feet and leg? Yeah, right? Next one, the girl is skipping the rope. Okay, can you see? She's again using her legs to balance the body. And the last one, your favorite one. Okay, every time you like to do it, everywhere, in school, in class, okay, in bus, in house, right? That is jumping. So how you can jump? Again, you are using your legs. What you are using? Very good. Now let's move next slide. Okay, arm. Okay, so again arm is divided into different parts: shoulder, elbow, thumb, fingers and wrist. I have already explained you. Okay, elbow help us to bend our arm. Others I have already explained in the previous slide. Okay, now can you tell me, are we using our hands? No? Yes? Exactly, we are using our hands, and we have to use our hands, right? First use of our hand is writing. For writing, it is very important to hold matlab pakadna. You have to hold your pen or color or whatever pencil you are using. Okay, so with the help you can hold not only pencil, many other things you can hold: utensils, glass, books, many things, right? In second picture you can see the kid is clapping. Okay, so for clapping also you have to use your hands. Next one, the girl is cooking, right? You are right now very small to cook, but your mother must be cooking. So for cooking also our hands are very useful. Okay, and the next slide you can see the girls are playing. What they are doing? They are throwing and catching the ball. Throwing matlab फेंकना, catching matlab पकड़ना. So both things are done by our hands. Okay, so here we have reached to the end point of this topic. As I told you children, there are so many body parts, external body parts also, but that we cannot cover in one part only. So for that we will come with second part. But right now, can you see on your screen one activity is given? This activity is very easy and you will have fun doing it. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to take a rough paper or book and draw a big circle. Okay, and then you have to place all these parts shown in this slide at proper places, right? Eyes is given, so you have to place this eyes or draw this eyes at that proper place. Then ears, nose and lips. Do it properly, then show it to your parents, let them check it and keep the paper properly. You can bring it in school also, then your teachers can check. Okay, I hope you have liked it, you have understood few body parts and its uses. Okay, and again you will do more practice of learning the spellings of these body parts. And till then, when I will come with the second part, please be careful, stay home and keep studying on. Thank you very much.